silence being observed for the plane crash that has happened here in Ahmedabad, near to the Ahmedabad airport.
Bensound.com.
The sad news is that we have lost the former minister of the Gujarat state, of the Gujarat state. It's been a sad day for everyone involved, for Ahmedabad and Gujarat, as the tragedy has really recent times. There was a time when there was Parthiv Patel. That is hit well from Arya. Let's see.
Bensound.com.
Arya again goes for it. And Arya connects. Coming star from Gujarat. And that is good delivery, and Arya. There is also a push. As Siddharth picks up the catch.
Bensound.com.
Raksha plays that. Beats the fielder inside and 4 runs again. That is played nicely, and
Bensound.com.
the snatching played has gone fine and fine for 4 runs. And boundary coming. That has hit him on the grill. He attempted a shot, so I think will be give.
Bensound.com.
That is played fine, and
That's in the air, but hasn't gone the distance.
Bensound.com.
Oh yes, it has. He told me that this is not just one match. We're gonna come up and win the finals. And there's a boundary from him. A 6 and
Bensound.com.
that's in the air. And would there be a boundary? Yes, it is.
Bensound.com.
The first innings as such on the leg and a wicket because Siddharth won't spare him. But do they want to go for a DRS? और ये बोल्ड, जैसा मैं कह रहा था कि जब भी यहाँ आते एक विकेट ले रही है
Bensound.com.
और यहाँ पर सीधा वो
that is hit well in the gap. I think has to show on. That's a full toss and should be 4 runs.
like I said, there's
Bensound.com.
That will be a stumping. Siddharth Vikaria comes on.
Jaiswal. Oh, he starts off with the hit in the air. Not be the best case scenario for them, but that.
Bensound.com.
Oh, look at that.
Makes some
That's in
room.
the air. And a wicket. You know, I'm very.
Bensound.com.
That's a good shot. One bounce boundary.
That's a full toss, and where that has gone. That has gone into the lone area.
Oh, that's a gap and a boundary. A 6 in the first.
Eagle balls. और ये खिला है हवा में, कहाँ जाएगी गेंद? गेंद गई है गगन
Fielder भी
चुंबी.
नीचे दौड़े हैं और ये कैच यहाँ पर सिद्धार्थ वेखरिया का.
Parekh versus Desai is the contest, and that has gone fine. So Parekh,
Wanted to go somewhere else. जाना.
अब देखना होगा आखिरी 2 गेंद में क्या होता है.
That's in the air by Dhruv Parekh, and it will cover the distance because it goes for a.
Bensound.com.
ये देखिए बैक टू बैक एक्शन रिप्ले और यहाँ पर विकेट.
Bensound.com.
ये दिस इज दैट बॉल एंड ये ही एक्शन रिप्ले हुआ टू दोस प्लेयर्स. और ये यहाँ पर बाउंड्री मिलती हुई. They go with that. 167 comes up on.
Bensound.com.
Saurabh now comes up, finds a gap and a boundary.
bensound.com.
With that, 11.
Under 23 team, just to remind our viewers, has hit well, really well, and has it cleared the fence as well. The check.
That is something we would like to see. And a wicket, like I was saying, a breakthrough is what they needed.
bensound.com.
And a breakthrough is what they are getting. Just that's in the air by Aditya, and a boundary from him. 8 for Karnavati Kings, and Vishal Jaiswal comes up for the second over. That's in the air and it will cover the distance. And Aditya Patel gets the much needed hit.
Vishal Jaiswal.
Oh,
Again,
that's bold. Like I said, you shouldn't get too adventurous. You need to hit the.
that is connected well, I believe. Yes. Players area. That is driven and 4 runs by Umang, I think. Umang.
bensound.com.
Hit Patel has also now found 4 of 14. Oh, he has corrected that. Sweet sound from the blade of Tandel. Tandel ne lagaya. That's a full toss. And make some room, hits it hard. Should be 4. Yes, it is. The fielder cannot stop it. Another good over. That is also connected well. Has he got the distance? Oh yes, he has. Dushan Soni app bowling के लिए उमंग ने खेला है. ये कहाँ गई है गेंद? गेंद गई है साइड स्क्रीन के ऊपर. There's a short ball and Hit Patel finds the gap and 4 runs. Also,
Happiness.
bensound.com.
And why not? He very well deserves it.
that was a slower ball and he waited for the ball.
You know, they are heading to the finals.
bensound.com.
Bowlers, but I think today he has been outclassed by these 2 batters. That is cut away for 4 runs. So 50 is up for Hit Patel. बहुत ही maturity वाली पारी खेली.
bensound.com.
Sammy connects and I think connects and the catch is dropped. He's thinking that
bensound.com.
that is it from us in the commentary box. We will have a post-match presentation in some time, so stay tuned for that. As the final will be played between Karnavati Kings and Heritage City Titans of CPL Season 2.